Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a basic CRM system using Claude Code. Let's get down to it. First of all, I'm going to define what a CRM is. So it's quite simple. A CRM is pretty much just a digital address book for all your clients and all of your leads. It allows you to keep track of all of the people that you need to follow up on, your sales cycle, all of your current customer information, their conversation history, and even when you have to follow up on them. Now, this is something that not a lot of small and medium sized businesses implement, but it's a must. Why? Because the more you follow up on people with relevant things that you need to say to them, the more you're likely to close a next deal. Not following up on people is something that costs a lot of money to business, and also not knowing when to follow up in the future. Because if you had to follow up on someone in a given few months, that's another problem. You need to remember when to follow up on people. Now, for today, it's going to be very, very simple. We're going to be creating an operating system, meaning a CRM, using Claude Code. Now, a CRM is something that must be 100% custom made for your workflows. Why? Because every single business operates differently. That means that there is no true one size fits all CRM. And that's why all of the CRMs out there, you pretty much end up paying for a lot of features that you don't really use. Now, for today, we're going to be building something very basic, but even having some structure to your sales cycle is something that's going to help you massively in the long term. Now, right here, I am in Claude. I'm simply going to go into Claude Code. And once I'm in Claude Code, I'm going to open up a new session. Now, because I don't really know how to create a CRM, I'm simply going to explain to Claude Code how I actually handle sales cycles and also how I actually work with my customers so he can ask me questions to create a CRM. Hey Claude, right now I want you to create a CRM for me. So I want that CRM to handle all of my leads and also handle probably all of my sales cycle and my current customers. I also want to keep track of customer information inside of it. Could you ask me questions that could help me clarify all of the features that you need? Right now, we're going very basic. Give me at most 10 questions. You know what? Do it 5. Now, once we send this to Claude, he's actually just going to start to have a chat with me and he's going to ask the relevant questions in order to be able to give me a very nice CRM that I can then simply have on my computer. And I can even use Claude Code to keep in sync all of that CRM with truly all of the latest information. You're not going to have all of the nice bells and whistles in this type of system, meaning no automations, but just having good follow up systems and good visualizations across your entire funnel is something that's going to help you out a lot. Now we're going to wait for Claude to finish this, and right now he literally just finished. Purchases with a web app. This should be a web app. My sales pipeline, yeah, lead, qualify, proposal send, negotiation won and lost. There's a meeting booked, so I normally do qualification meetings because before defining if they're qualified, per company and per contact, all of that information is fine. I do not want any integration right now. I literally just want to have a basic CRM, and this is only for myself. Now, that's something that's very key to understand. If you're operating solo, the way that you construct a CRM is a bit different. If you're working with a team, you must remember who actually updated the CRM at every single point in time. So, two different things that you have to build. If you're just doing this for a test, start up with a very basic CRM, and then you can ask Claude Code to be able to just change that. Now, because Claude is actually going to start building the CRM, I'm simply going to cut right here and I'm going to come back to you when it's done. All right, and we're back. Now, this is something that did take a while because for some reason Cloud Code decided to really build an entire application. If you ask him to build a simple CRM using only your local files, it's something that he will be able to do within a couple of minutes. But without further ado, I'm going to just show you the finished result. So once the CRM is done, I get an overview of my entire pipeline breakdown according to which people are located through which section of my pipeline. So as you can see, I have my leads, the people that I need to qualify the proposal, send, negotiation, then also the recent deals that have been closed, how much money is inside of my pipeline and how many deals I have. Most importantly, I also have the deal overview, so which of the companies and also the context. In this case, there is one bug right here, but it's easily fixable thanks to Claude Code. And I can look at them through precise spots. Now, for the context, of course, all of this is simply completely made up data, but I can simply add a person to my contacts if I ever need to, and then I can also add their company. Most importantly, I can visualize my pipeline and I can move it if I ever need to. So as you can see, this is the way that you actually build a very simple CRM using Cloud Code. You can also use Codex if you ever need it. On top of this, what you can do is you can use Cloud Code or Codex to be able to simply sync your CRM with the things happening. So because Cloud Code and Codex can connect to, for example, your AI note taker and also be connected to things such as Gmail, you can ask Cloud Code to every single morning check your latest emails and also check your latest sales transcripts or any other AI note taker transcript that you're getting, fetch all of that information, and update the CRM for you. That way, you literally don't have to do anything and you can simply open up your CRM every single morning, look at the tasks that you need to do, and start executing. Now, if you have any questions regarding CRMs, feel free to drop a message in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out establishing which type of CRM is good for you. This is perfect for solopreneurs and also for SMBs that need a bit of structure in order to be able to earn probably between 20 to 30% more income thanks to simply having more structured processes. All right, I'm going to say see you in the next video and I wish you have a great day. Bye.